Hey Fixers, welcome back to MrFixIt. I'm kicking off our Windows 101 playlist with the essentials you need to get around Windows 11 confidently. Whether you're brand new or just need a refresher, this video's got you covered. In this video, you'll learn how to navigate the Windows 11 desktop, use the Start menu and Taskbar like a pro. No deep settings required, just the basics that make everyday tasks smoother. First, let's look at the Windows 11 desktop. Think of this as your workspace. On the desktop, you'll see icons, shortcuts to apps, files, and folders. Double-click any icon to open it. If you ever want more room, right-click the desktop and choose View, Show Desktop Icons to toggle them on or off. At the bottom is the centered taskbar. Here you can pin your favorite apps. Just right-click an open app icon and select Pin to Taskbar. On the right side, you'll find system icons like Wi-Fi, sound, battery, and the new Notification Center and Quick Settings button. Now open the Start menu by clicking the centered Windows icon or pressing the Windows key. You'll see pinned apps at the top and recommended files and apps below. Scroll to view all apps or click all apps. To pin or unpin an app, right-click its icon and choose Pin to Start or Unpin from Start. Use the search bar at the top of the Start menu to quickly find apps, files, settings, or web results. Start typing and suggestions will appear instantly. When you find what you need, right-click and choose Pin to Start to keep it handy. So, that's your tour of the Windows 11 desktop, Start menu, and Taskbar, your core tools to get things done smoothly. Coming up next, in Part 2, we're diving into the brand new File Explorer, how to manage files, find folders faster, and even unlock a secret Windows feature called God Mode. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss it. See you in the next one, Fixers!